Hello, welcome to the quick guide on how to run Espresso test on Lambda test platform using Gradle. Let's take a look at the build.gradle file. First, apply the Lambda test Gradle plugin. Then define the plugin task with required parameters to run the test. Provide the Lambda test credentials, path to app, path to test suite, and device of your choice. You can also define multiple capabilities to support your tests. Now that the script is set up, let's run the test. To run the test, let's use this command and the test will be triggered. Once the tasks are done, we can view the results on Lambda test platform. Now, as the tests have executed, we can view the tests on Lambda test platform and check their status and their components. Now, that's all in this guide. Thank you.